How long the hugs? At least 20 seconds. Good, long hugs are good for your heart. Wow, what a new discovery, mga mahal kong kaibigan. Gusto nating magpakalusog? Yun lang pala, isa sa mga natural doctor, natural na gamot natin. Bumaba ang ating blood pressure. Mari kaya yung mga high blood pressure ay kulang lang pala ng yakap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ito pa po ang nasumpungan nila. Hugs, of course, might even lower heart rates and blood pressure. And the women who receive a hug from their partners had lower blood pressure and heart rates during stressful sections of testing. The researchers think that oxytocin that we mentioned earlier might be the cause for their better heart health. Wow, no? So, kailangan natin ng hormone na oxytocin that is being released by our body, by our brain, when we hug. So, let's hug more and more every day. And hugging boosts self-esteem, and touch is a powerful language that we can use to convey feelings of safety, love, and connection to greater community. The study found that those who felt socially supported and were hugged more often also experienced less severe signs of illness. Naku mga kaibigan,
Ito pala kailangan
marami
ng
pala
hug.
dyan nagkakasakit.
Because kulang sa hug, kaya nagkakasakit pala. Kaya
Sabi
alam
pa,
na
holding
din.
hands because it gives a person a sense of security. No? So, dagdagan po natin ang yakap, ang yapos, ang pag-hug, no? Ang pagyakap sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ito'y magandang gamot, pampalakas ng ating immunity, panglaban sa sakit. Kulang lang pala.
Yakap lang
Minsan
pala ang
tayo ng
kulang.
maraming
Kaya yakap sul talaga ay napaka-powerful.
pagyakap, pagmamahal, no? Napakahalaga mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, ang matuto tayo. Yumakap at to express our love. Sabi nga, love without an expression does not long exist. No? Sa pamamagitan ng pagtapik, pag-akbay, pagyakap na ipaparamdam natin ang init ng ating pagmamahal that secretes this oxytocin hormone.